I'd like to demonstrate the use of 4 DMA channels now with 1 bank per channel. As you can see, I've modified the code to make 4 active banks and only 1 channel per bank. This is going to change the way the data is interleaved, and it will demonstrate the successful use of 4 DMA channels simultaneously. All other parameters in the system have remained the same. Now, if I rebuild this and execute this code, it all looks the same, but my MATLAB script has to change. So we have another MATLAB script that, in fact, opens up all 4 files. Remember, the other MATLAB script, all of the data was in a single file. Now we have 4 files that have been created, 1 for each bank, and it then displays each bank individually in the same kind of display. By the way, I did one other thing in this code that I think is probably important. I changed it so that each bank gets a different ADC input. Now, I only have one ADC number 1 hooked up, and when I run this code, this MATLAB script, what happens is you see that only 1 channel has data in it because we're not driving the signal to the other channels. If I go to the 7852 and apply the signal to the second ADC channel, and I re-execute the code, you can see it is now on the second channel. If I had the same signal connected to all 4 channels, you would see the signal everywhere, but I thought this would be a good way to demonstrate that each A to D is operating independently of one another, and with no signal distortion, which means that all of the data is being transferred successfully across the PCI bus without loss of data. See down there. And finally, the 4th channel. And there it is. You might notice that the amplitude is the same for all of them. That's only because in this program, when I only have 1 channel per bank, it's tuned all to the same frequency. That, of course, could be changed, but I didn't think that was necessary for this example. Thank you very much.